Number 1. Keto Cinnamon Sugar Donuts. How to make keto donuts. For this low-carb donut recipe, mix together the wet ingredients, whisk together the eggs, apple cider vinegar, almond milk, vanilla, melted ghee and monk fruit sweetener in a large bowl, until smooth and combined. Whisk together the dry ingredients, in a separate medium bowl. Combine the almond flour, coconut flour, xanthan gum, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and stir until just combined. Fill donut pan, transfer batter evenly into a greased 12-cavity silicone mini donut pan, or drop into mini muffin tins, filling 3/4 full. You can also use a 6-cavity silicone donut pan for regular-sized donuts. Bake in preheated oven 350 for 12 to 15 minutes, for mini, or 21 to 24 minutes for regular-sized, until golden brown. Allow donuts to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before removing. Make the cinnamon sugar topping. While the donuts are baking, combine the cinnamon and granulated monk fruit for the cinnamon sugar coating. You can also mix things up and make a Krispy Kreme style glaze or chocolate glaze depending on what you like. Dip in cinnamon, sweetener coating or top with a glaze of your choice. Tips for making the best keto donuts. Use a silicone donut mold and allow donuts to cool in the pan for at least 10 minutes for easier removal. Fill each cavity in the donut pan 3/4 full. Otherwise, the donuts will overflow. Use a combination of both superfine blanched almond flour and coconut flour to achieve a fluffy and moist sponge. Do not overmix the batter. Stir in the dry ingredients until just combined. Check the pinned comment for the full information, and a bonus surprise.